Hey everyone, Miss Janine here. I hope you're enjoying this absolutely frigid cold afternoon. I am just not liking it. I like it when it's warm. That's why I retired here. So I'm in my negative mindset. It's cold. I don't like it. Okay, some questions about the upcoming paper. It will be due at the end of week 6, which counts as test 3. I originally started doing this for people who don't take seated tests well. This paper is usually a chance for them to shine. Paper grading scale is right here. Click on this. And as it's loading on my computer, we'll pull it up together. If you're new to APA formatting, I really suggest you take a look at this resource, Purdue Owl. This little video just is showing you how to set up the header because that's usually a big problem for most people. Here we go. Oops. Here we go. Paper requirements. Right here. Topic. What inspires me to learn or what motivates me? Take any twist on that you want. APA format, 6 pages is going to be worth 30 points. 6 pages does not count cover page, abstract, or reference page. So you'll look at, really you're going to have 9 or more. APA formatting is double space, Times New Roman 12 pitch, so it doesn't take long to fill up 6 pages. You will use 10 keywords or concepts from the textbook, and you will define the keywords. Bold your keywords so I can easily identify them. That again is worth 30 points. So if you only give me 5 pages, 30 divided by 6, 6 by 30, however you word it, 5 points a page. You give me 5 pages, 25 points. Give me 5.5 pages, 5 3/4 pages. I'm pulling out the calculator. 6 full pages. Keywords, same thing. 10 keywords, they're 3 points apiece. You only give me 5, you only get 5 times 3, 15 points. So right here is 60 points. Just follow the rules. 3 quality references. I will make a separate video showing you how to use NC Live if you're not familiar with that. 3 references, that's 20 points. Textbook for the purpose of this paper can be 1 because the definitions will probably come from the textbook. Not acceptable references, Wikipedia, the dictionary, grocery store magazines, sports magazines, girly magazines, women's magazines, parenting magazines. You want peer-reviewed journal articles. That's 20 points. And then grammar, sentence structure, formatting is 20 points. Free resources I recommend, Grammarly.com. You can upload your paper and it will catch all kinds of stuff you did wrong. Purdue Owl, I'll click on that in a minute. Papers can be submitted for my review up to 1 week prior to submission date. You will send them via Blackboard. I will have a link in there where you can upload them. Late papers will automatically have 5 points deducted for each day late up to 3 days from the overall grade. So if you had a B and you're 3 days late, that would be 15 points. We're on a 10-point scale, so now you're just lost a whole bunch of points. So that's a quick rundown. What inspires me, where are you getting these keywords as we keep getting. Chapter 11 is my favorite chapter. That's probably where you'll get a lot of keywords. It might be some of the theories. Anything that's in the textbook you can use as a keyword or key concept. So I'm going to minimize that. Here is an example. These 3 right here are examples of how to define your words, but they're not great examples of APA formatting. And I'm just going to pull up one. I'm not going to pull up them all. You can see this person used that. What motivates me? Pretty good format here. This is what my motivation comes by ways of a great number of things, blah, blah, blah. Motivation is a need or desire that energizes and directs behavior. Textbook author, this was an old textbook we had. He has his in-text citation. He bolded motivation so I knew, and then he defined it. That's what I'm looking for. Then down here, I can rapidly turn these thoughts in a matter of seconds, blah, 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 because of the central nervous system. This amazing set of organs is the brain and spinal cord, the body's decision maker. In-text citation again for his definition of central nervous system. Neurotransmitters, same thing. Then he used, let me pull down here. And he's got all these bolded so I can easily count them when it's time to grade. Here's his references. This is a good reference list. He's got his 3 references. So this is a pretty good one. APA formatting's pretty good on this one. I'm going to click on this one. What motivates me? Use these as examples again. That one didn't want to open. Try again. There we go. This looks good. His heading is good. He forgot his abstract. But motivation, which is defined by Covington as direct quote, page number. It's got the author right here. He did a little bit different. Before being able to understand what drives us to do well, we must look at the drive reduction theory. This theory is, and again, he used a direct quote from the book. Again, this is a, oops, that should have been the sign, the @ sign. But again, I want you to look and use these 3 papers as examples of how to weave definitions into your writing. When you master writing your definitions and not just throwing in the words, it shows me, the reader, you know what it means. You will do very well in college if you master this. This, again, is in the announcement. It's also up in here in the syllabus. Real quick, before I run out of time, let's look at Purdue Owl. Purdue Owl, you don't need to buy the APA manual. Anything you want to do, find it over here. In-text citations, boom, it's here. Long quotes is a big one. Try not to have more than 1 or 2 long quotes. A long quote is 40 words or more, and it has a different format than a short quote. Basic rules with authors, that's for your reference list, and in-text citations with authors, single author 2, 3 to 7. Pay attention to those. And again, as you're writing your discussion post, I encourage you to use 2 references to earn the max points. Now, if it's in-text citations, it's a little bit different between 2 authors, 3 to 5, 6 or more. You get the little et al. And when do you list them all. So take time to explore Purdue Owl. It will be your friend for as long as you're in school and having to use APA formatting. I'm going to hush so I can post this and start thinking about the direction of your paper. Honestly, 6 pages will not take you very long. By the time I recommend you kind of think about what direction you want to talk about, what inspires you. Maybe it's your family, maybe it's something in your past, maybe it's the military. You can use the word I. You can have it a little autobiographical. It will be very personal probably, but I want you to learn about you and why you're doing what you're doing. So 6 pages will go by quick. Figure out the direction you're going, pick your 10 key words, and find your 3 references, get organized, write a couple pages. You know, we've got a couple weeks. Honestly, 6 pages won't take you very long. So everyone, have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.